Welcome to Fair Fashion. Shop this look on Forever Chic, honey. Thank you for stopping by, and today we're doing statement shoes. As always, I love statement shoes. These are the kind of things that you add to your wardrobe and they just switch it up just a little bit. And I love how YSL is coming off this season. It has been in fashion or in trend for a while, but just the colors, I just had to do the show on how many choices you got with this one shoe. It is a beautiful thing, and the fact that they had this genius concept of having the heel in a logo form is just absolutely awesome. This is what kills it, and it is what everybody loves in a statement shoe. Understated, but having that class, that sassiness, and that chicness. Okay, so I'm a big collector of YSL. And it is one of the top shoes out there that can really set the trend and create a statement for your wardrobe. And these come in 3 choices, of course, and many more if you want an elaborate and all the other colors that they have. You'll hit us up. I will be sure to link you up with the email where you can shop this look, but it is swag all the way. You are going to be setting yourself apart from everybody else with this statement shoe, and I will say consider this look and shop for it with Forever Chic. We will be hitting you up with all the looks and the kind of shoes that match your style. It's all in inspiration, baby. The Shoe Cam YSL statement shoes. I'll be